It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,